How can kids get faster at running?
Run faster.
How do they do it?
Run faster. They just run, and then they push.
What do you mean push?
Not push. They just try. Actually, you should keep on running. Practice and practice and practice until you get faster.
So you're saying the more you run, the faster you get?
Yeah.
So practicing. How can kids get faster at running?
Pushing themselves.
What do you mean? He also said push. What do you mean?
Like forcing their legs to go faster.
How do you force your legs to go faster?
Make yourself. Like if your legs normally go like this is as fast as you normally run, they make them go like this. I can really run faster. One time, I was walking to my nanny's house. All of a sudden, this dog is barking at me and it was running after me. All of a sudden, I just started running faster because I was so scared. I started running faster.
So if they get scared, they'll run faster than if they're not scared.
Well, sometimes they can run how fast they want.
How can kids run faster?
By doing this.
Like karate chopping the air with their hands? That's how you run faster, huh? How can kids run faster?
Exercise more.
Why? How does that help?
I don't know. It likes help your legs. Sometimes they get.
So build your leg muscles?
And you can run faster.
How do you run faster?
When a dog's chasing me, I run faster.
Okay, use these tips to run faster.